Hi all, welcome to a brand new webinar. Please wait for our participants for a little while before we begin. Now let's get started. We are reviewing the Odoo 18 website and e-commerce module today. Allow me to introduce myself and my business before I begin. My name is Subisha and I worked at Cybrosys Technologies as a functional consultant. An expert in Odoo with over 15 years of experience, Cybrosys is a certified official level Odoo partner firm that offers Odoo implementation, customization, and related services in Odoo ERP software. The organization is renowned for offering the most sophisticated and dependable business management solution in Odoo, and it has successfully completed a number of projects. Then, why Odoo? Odoo is a comprehensive open source business management software that provides integrated application for various business functions like CRM, accounting, inventory, project management, and e-commerce. It's highly modular, allowing business to choose and implement only the apps they need, which can be scaled as business grows. Odoo's initiative user-friendly interface is designed to improve workflow efficiently and collaborations across departments. With its customizable features and strong community support, Odoo is a popular choice for business of all size. For your business, users can easily develop and modify websites. Additionally, the platform is specially designed to build, administer, and design in accordance with your company needs and standards. The unique platform provides usability from the front end as well as the back end. The modification made on either end will instantly recognized by the other. Due to the numerous advantages, online and e-commerce platforms have become the preferred means for conducting business and shopping. The best course of action for the prosperous business is to sell goods online through distinctive and well-run online store. Compared to typical business operation, the e-commerce platform in Odoo 18 enables you to handle all online sales process significantly and more effectively. When searching for a reliable business or website and e-commerce system, business people strongly recommended the Odoo 18 website and platform. This webinar will go through the Odoo 18 e-commerce module and website. So the main agenda of this webinar is to inform other participants and the end users about the website and e-commerce modules in Odoo 18. We will concentrating on the main features and new enhancement in Odoo 18 website and e-commerce modules in this session. The main chapters or the main topics we move through this webinar is website builders, order management, products checkout process, delivery and invoicing, online appointments, redirects, blog, forum on website, live chat in website, and reporting. So the website builders in Odoo 18 offers an easy-to-use interface for making completely customizable expert businesses. Business can effortlessly manage content and online sales with the help of integrated teams, SEO tools, and other Odoo apps. The e-commerce management is very simple in Odoo 18 website. The e-commerce module of Odoo 18 streamlines order administration through real-time inventory updates, automated process, and smooth connectivity with shipping and payment companies. Additionally, it contains functionalities for recovering abandoned carts, which let companies and send automatic follow-up emails to clients to pursue them to finish their purchases. This solution increases the customer retention and optimize sales possibilities. Pricelist and promotion programs are one of the most advantages of e-commerce management. The price list in Odoo 18 give companies the ability to establish dynamic pricing according to consumer segments, currencies, or quantity based discounts, guaranteeing the adaptable and competitive pricing tactics. By providing discounts, coupons, and loyalty benefit, promotion programs encourage the consumer interaction and repeat business, which in turn increase the sales. When combined, these characteristics increase the online sales, income generation, boost consumer satisfaction, and simply pricing administration. Then, a smooth and easy shopping experience is guaranteed by an appropriate checkout procedure in Odoo 80, which lower cart abandon and boost conversion rates. Efficient delivery techniques increases the consumer happiness and trust by offering a variety of shipment options, real-time tracking, and automated logistics. When combined, this characteristics enhances order fulfillment, streamline the sales process, and increase overall company productivity. Then, besides the e-commerce management, online appointment management is one of the major fact or feature in Odoo 18 website. Business may easily schedule and manage appointments with the help of online appointment booking system included in Odoo 18 website module. It simplifies scheduling and improves the client convenience with calendar integration, automated confirmation, and customizable time windows. Redirects. The website redirection feature in Odoo 18 lets the user manage website redirection and establish a URL mapping for smooth navigation and SEO optimization. This enhances user experience and search engine result by automatically rerouting outdated or broken links to a fresh URL. Then, besides the e-commerce management, e-learning is also can be managed through Odoo 18 website. Business can develop, manage, and optimize blog material using Odoo 18 blog module, which includes analytics, social network sharing, and SEO capabilities. With gamification features like badges and karma fonts to promote participation, the forum features facilitate community conversations, Q&A, and information exchanges. Then live chat. With Odoo 18, business can interact with the visitors instantaneous thanks to the live chat function, which provides real-time customer service right on the website. To increase productivity and client happiness, it incorporates chatbot integration, automation, and prefabricated responses. Then the last one is reports. Website and online sales report offers useful information on consumer behavior, sales result, and marketing efficiency, assisting companies in making data-driven choices. In order to optimize strategies and raise overall profitability, they make it possible to track important metrics like conversions, traffic source, and revenue trends. So, business can easily establish beautiful, fully integrated online shop trends using Odoo 18 website and e-commerce module. It's provide easy product management, safe payment modules, and integrated SEO tools to increase the sales and visibility. You can access the module by clicking on the website icon. While clicking on the website menu or website module, here we can see the Odoo 18 website dashboard. Let's start with the configuration. Here we can see the first option is setting and the second option is website. While choosing the website, here we can see multiple websites. With the aid of newest features and tools, the complex website module of Odoo ERP provides you with excellent support for managing many websites for your business. Usually, managing multiple websites at once is a very difficult operation that requires a significant amount of time to complete. However, managing several websites in your system is now simple thanks to the development of Odoo 18 website module. Each website will have its own theme, design, operating parameters, headers, footers, pages, and branding in addition to the many website management systems operating independently. Additionally, the software lets you configure several languages for various websites. And we can also configure a new website from the website menu or by clicking on this new button, as well as from settings. So you can use Odoo 18 website module settings window to set up a different website for your business. You can navigate to the website settings option, and here you can see a plus website menu in the setting window here. While clicking on this, the website to configure section, this menu can be selected to display a pop-up window for building a new business or a new website. Here I'm adding the website name as company website, and here we can mention the website domain, and we can add the company name as well as languages. Here we can choose multiple languages for your website. I'm choosing Dutch also. And here we can see the default language and the minimal karma point need to see the other user's profile. After adding such details, we can add the create button. Here we can see the let's do button. The let's do button will cause a new window to appear when you may specify the kind of website and its objective. Let's click on this let's do button. Then here we can choose the kind of website. I'm choosing a such online store and adding as say clothing store or just a clothing store. And then main objective is the sell more, or we can click the inform customers. Then after that, you will be taken to a new window where you can select the pre-made color scheme for your new website, which will enhance the aesthetic appeal and aid in establishing your brand. You can even upload your logo if you are not choosing for a pre-made palette. Odoo 18 can assist you to identify it from the upload logo based on this logo. By selecting the upload arrow, you can upload your logo. I am choosing one of the color palette from here, and you can choose the pages and features for your website from the list of pages and features that is supplied after selecting the palette. It is not necessary to create every page by hand. Below is a picture of the window here. And after that, let's click on this build my website. So here we can see here the building a new website. The button labeled build my website is visible at the bottom, and you can enter your business or website by clicking on this button. Your website will then begin in load a few seconds while the system is build it. Here we can see it's loading and adding the features. Here applying your clothes and design is done, and here searching for the images is done, adapting building blocks and generating inspiring text. And here we can see activating the last features, and it's take some time. Let's wait. So the next after it load, here the main page of your newly created website can see, and from there we can build or we can use snippets for building our websites. Let's wait some time. Here we can see the new website is ready. Here we can see the building blocks. Then now in Odoo 18, the display of building blocks has changed. So let's discuss some new features added on the Odoo 18 snippets. While clicking on the snippets, here we can see Odoo 18 added a new display for this building blocks. From here, we can choose the snippets easily from these categories. So from here, let's check some of the new features added. For that, I'm choosing some, or I'm choosing an image. For that, I'm adding a image. Here we can see the image is added here. We can change the text alignment by customizing here while choosing the text, and here we can see the vertical alignment option. From here we can directly change the vertical alignment of the text by customizing. It's very easy to change the vertical alignment of the added. Here we can see the alignment of the text can be changed. And the next one is I'm clicking on the edit button, and here we have a search option. We can directly search the needed one from here. Here we can see added a FAQ session. So it's really easy to search the needed building blocks. And here we have another option for styling. Here we can see the added FAQ session is here, and let's change the alignment by clicking on the customize. Here we have an option like style. Here we can see now it's boxed, and we can change the style from here. So here the boxed style is removed, and here we can see which isn't highlighted. And the another one is here we have an option to save and reuse the selected snippets for future. Here we can see under the edit. Then let's choose one block, and here we can see this is a FAQ block, and here we have save option. By clicking on this, we can save the snippets as a template. And here we can see the content is saved, and here we can see in the blocks the first one is a customer. And while checking this, here we can see the one we saved is added in the custom section, and it's possible to rename, and here renamed it as new FAQ block, and let's save. So it's very easy to save and reuse the snippets. And the next one is that here we have an option to change the or we have an option to change the font, or we can customize the font. For that, adding a intro or some content. Here I'm adding some content and choosing the text, and here we have a theme. So under the themes, here we can see the font family. Here from here we have option to choose or we can change the font from here, or it's possible to customize, add custom fonts. And here from the list we can choose the font. We can select the Google font from here, and here we can see the display or preview of the display, and let's save and reload. And here after saving, here we can see the font is changed. Here we can see the font is changed. And one of the another feature is we can choose or we can upload and downloading documents from the website. For that, we need to add, I'm adding contact snippets, or choosing some random snippets. Yes, I'm choosing one contact snippets and choosing the button, and here we have a customize option for the button, like or sorry, So I'm adding a new one, another contact form. Uh, let's choose one. Let me choose a random one. And here we need a button. So here we have a button. Let's customize the button. Here, let's add a, or we can upload a URL. I'm choosing a random image and let's save this. So let's check what happened. Um, Sorry. Let's, what is the snippets? And here we can see the snippets, it's here. So here we can see, the snippet or the button is here. While clicking on this, here we can see the images or the uploaded file is open and we can download the uploaded document. So this is a newly introduced one. Then we can simply publish, or so from here we can simply publish, or while clicking on this, after saving one block, here we have optimize SEO. While clicking on this button, here we can see we have an optimize SEO option. Here we can add uh, the description and title. If I'm adding the description as description, this is the homepage description of the website, and if I'm adding a description, here we can see your description is looks too long, and if I'm raising some sentences here, now it's okay. So the SEO optimization is simply added and it's very simple to handle now. Then the next one is multiple languages. The widely acknowledged and approved Odoo 18 ERP ought to take localization into account and be obligated to grant authorization for the incorporation of multiple languages on its website. Odoo 18 is popular all across the world since it consistently supports these amenities. Additionally, the ability to view and access the firm website in the user's native tongue is a major benefit of the multi-language operation. We can directly translate from one language to another from here. Here we can see a list of languages and we can click on this. Then from the edit button, we have an option to translate to that particular language. So it's very easy to change the language from website. And I'm choosing the English again. And by clicking on the edit button, here we can see while choosing the text, we have a translate option. From here, we can directly translate the single word into the chosen language. So it's very easy to handle multiple languages and the translations in Odoo 80. Then let's check menu customization. You can alter the appearance of your menu thanks to Odoo 18 website module. Great degree of flexibility. Then let's check other topics. The first one is menu customization. You can alter the appearance of your website thanks to Odoo 18 website module's great degree of flexibility. All it's take is a single click on the site tab. So here we can see the site tab, and here the menu editor option is also used to build and change the pages on the website. Making a new menu is the next stage. Let's examine the process of making a new menu. You can choose the menu editor option. The platform will display a pop-up window to you like this. Then here you can view every configured website pages in the top in this pop-up window along with the corresponding edit menu item and delete menu item. And here a pop-up box allowing you to enter a new menu label on URL while clicking on this add a menu item. Here we can add the menu name, and I'm adding as desk. And here we can add the URL as shop/category desk. And let's click the OK button. Here we can see a new menu is added, and we can simply drag and drop it. And let's save this. Here we can see near the shop we have a new menu added like desk. Then there is another fact that we can simply drag like this. And after saving, here we can see a new list, and the desk is added under the shop menu. Then additionally, you can permit it to add a mega menu item to the page's website. Here we can see the under menu items. Here we have an option to add mega menu. Let's add a mega menu like category. Then let's click this OK button. Here we can drag and place it first. Here we can see it's a mega menu. Let's save this. So here we can see the category is added as a mega menu here. Then additionally, you are permitted to add a mega menu, and you can define the menu label. And here we can see you can edit the this one. If I'm clicking on this edit button, we can edit the mega menu. Here while clicking on this three dot, we can choose the mega menu, and here we can see e-commerce categories. We can configure e-commerce categories in e-commerce, and here we can see under this here the desk, furniture, boxes, drawers. These all are the added e-commerce categories. Under this, here we can see the e-commerce categories, and by enabling that filter, we can add the e-commerce categories to our mega menu, which is one of the newly added feature. And let's check the next one. Then let's check publish specific content for the website. For that, I'm changing the website to my website, and here we have a new button. From the front end of the module, Odoo 18 website users can quickly generate and publish custom content for the company website. This may be applied to a wide range of tasks, including product description, blogs, forums, and many other things. Regarding the blog post, the platform enables you to complete it from the front end, including the details. Additionally, you can or you have the option to change the views and attributes. You can then post them to the website using the system. Likewise, you can think about the job description, the forum, and the tone of other items. On the website, you can see the plus new button next to the edit button as seen, and here the icon for posting particular content on your website will appear when you click on this button. You can use the page menu to create a new page for your website. While clicking on this, here a pop-up window will shown here, and you can enter the page title. First, we need to choose the page. Here I'm adding a blank page, and here we need to add the page title. I'm adding it as new page, and click on the create button. Then the newly created page to appear on the website module in the main taskbar. Here we can see the pages here, and we can add the snippets. And here we can see you may also use the Odoo 18 system to construct and manage web pages from the backend also. Let's save the page, and here under the site, here we have an option like pages. Here we can see all the pages with the page URL and is indexed, is main menu, SEO optimization, is published, and website. Here we can see the created page is here. While clicking on this, which will redirect to the created page. And in Odoo 18, it's possible to add this particular page as a template. It's possible by clicking on the properties. Here under site, we have an option like properties, and here we can see the page title is here, and we can see the page URL is menu, etc. Then here we have an boolean like is a template. We can enable this is template option, and we can save this. Here we can see this particular page will here we can see while creating a new page, here we have an option like custom, and the new page is added as a template here. Then let's move to create the next one, which is a product. While clicking on this, we can add the product name here. I'm adding a product name as mobile phone, and here we can add the barcode and sales price. I'm adding a sales price, and here we can mention the website or the sales tags, and we can add the category here. Currently I'm not adding any categories, and let's save this. Here we can see the product is created, and it's possible to customize and we can add new features or blocks, and we can possible to customize this, and it's possible to add images. We can replace the main image by clicking on this replace button. Here we can see image is added, and it's possible to add multiple images for the product by clicking on this customize button. Here we have option to add extra images. We can add extra images by clicking on this, and we can upload the images like let me search something. I'm choosing 2 images and uploading this. Here we can see the images are uploaded by clicking on this add button. Extra images are added here. Let's save this, and here we can see the extra images while clicking on this. This is how the products is added. Then let's check the next one, which is a blog. Click on the new button. Here we have an option to add a blog post. First we need to install the blog post app. By clicking on this, from here also onwards we can install the blog post. It's slowly. You can choose the blog post menu item to start a new blog post from your website. So it's installed. Here we can see the blog post. By clicking on this, first we need to select the blog, and we can add the title as adventure. And let's click. Here we can see the blog post is added. It's possible to add some blogs, and we can add the customization like this. You can write the title and the necessary subtitles. Here on the right side of page, you will find the option for creating a new blog page. For editing this tool, here we can see the blog post, and which will directly here we can see the website preview, And here we can see the blog name, title, subtitle, tags, website, and the publishing details. Here, every blog post that is detailed on this platform is seen here. Then while clicking on this site menu, here we have an option like blog post. Here every blog post with the details like title or the blog, website, views, etc. can be shown here. And the last contributor, last updated date is also can be select from here. To access the Kanban view, we have option to change the views from here. Uh, and the pan also has some default custom filters and group by options like that. Then to edit the blog post, we can click on the blog post. Then here we can see the blog post. And under the configuration, we have option like blogs. We can create new blogs from here by simply adding the blog name and blog subtitle, and we can choose the website. And here we have option to add tags for the blog, and it's also possible to add the tag categories. We can add the tag categories and tags, and we can use those tags in our website. Then let's move to the next session. Then let's check the next one. Here we can see the next one is apps. From the apps, we can view all the apps for this website, like website, e-commerce, and online jobs. These are installed one. And here we can see the other apps. We can install apps directly from here. Then the next one is appointments. You can provide a description of appointments, or we can add appointments from website. To add a new one, we can click this new button, and here I'm adding it as new appointment. And here we can specify the duration, the pre-booking time, and the scheduling window available now within a time range. If I'm choosing the within a time range, we can add the date from and to as a time range here. Here we have an option to allow cancellation before starting or before 1 hour before the meeting. It's possible to cancel. And here we can see the availability. We can set available either based on users or based on resources. If we choose it as resources, we need to select the resources from here. If we choose it as user, we need to choose the users. I'm adding Magdamo and Michelle as Michelle admin as users. And the next one is assignment method. The assignment method is nothing but we can define how the users and resources will be assigned to the meeting. Either we can pick the user first or user and resources first, then the time. Then the second one is we need to choose the time first, then the resources and user, then the select time, then the resources will auto assign. Here I'm choosing first we need to pick the user or resource, then the time. Then under the schedule, we can see the time scheduling like the day and the time scheduling can be shown here. And the next one is options. From the option, we have different option like front end display. We can add pictures or no picture option, and we can show the pictures. Then the next one is website. From here, we can choose the website, and it's possible to restrict some particular website for this appointment. And here we can see the time zone, and we can choose the location. Then here we can add the video conference link if necessary. And here we can see time to which can be limited to working hours by clicking on this. And we can see the reminders. We can send a reminder emails to the users. And here we can see the booking email, cancellation email, etc. Then here the confirmation email or the booking email is nothing, which is set to a certain email or an email will be sent to the customer when the appointment is confirmed. And the cancellation email is nothing, an email will send to the customer when the appointment is cancelled. And here we can see allow guest option. this allow guest option. By enabling this option, which let the attendees to invite the guest while registering the meeting. Then here we can see the manual confirmation by enabling this checkbox, and here we have an upfront payment checkbox. By enabling this, the visitors need to pay some amount to confirm the appointment. Here we can add the um, amount, and from here we need to configure the payment provider. Currently, I'm not adding this one, and here we can add the questions for the appointment, and we can add the messages here. Then after adding such details, we can save this, and it's possible to share by clicking on this. And here we have a go to website option. We can directly go to the website by clicking on this. Otherwise, we can go to the home page, and here we can see the appointment. Here we can see the newly created appointment. Here it's unpublished. Here we have an option to publish the appointment. So the appointment is published. So from here we can choose the user. Then we can select the time and the date and time. Then we need to add our details like full name and the email ID. Then here we need to specify the phone number. It's possible to add some custom questions. After adding such details, we can click the confirm appointment button. Then here we can see the appointment is scheduled, and here we can see the details like when, the duration, where, and the other details can be shown here. Then while clicking on this appointments menu from the configuration, here we can see one meeting is upcoming, and while clicking on this, here we can see the meeting can be viewed from here. Here we can see the booking details can be available from here. So this is how the online appointment simply handled in Odoo 18 website. Then let's check the next one, which is redirects. So the redirects option, the configuration tab of Odoo 18 website module is where you can find the redirect feature. You can use this capability to set redirects that will send the users to different domains. Then here we can see one is previously configured here. Let's open here with this named as not found. And here we can see the action as 404 not found. Here we can see the other things like 301 move permanently, move temporary, and 308 redirect and rewrite options. Here we can see if I'm choosing the action as 404 not found, here we need to specify the URL, and here we can add the website, and we can set it as active. It's possible to add a sequence number. So let's check how this not found option works. For that, I'm going to the home page. If I'm clicking on the scores button, here we can see the not found is shown here. We could not find the page you are looking for, and here we can see the URL is shown here. So this is why, just because we added a not found redirect or rewrite from here. Then let's move to the next session. So let's check the e-commerce management in Odoo 18 website. Here we have option like shop. From here, we can view and we can purchase, or the customers can purchase the products. Before that, let's check the e-commerce configuration. Here we have an e-commerce menu. Under this, we have sessions like orders, products, loyalty, etc. We can view the order details from here, and we can configure product, price list, e-commerce categories, combo choices, tags, ribbons, etc. from here. And at last, we have promotion and coupon programs, gift cards, and etc. We can configure such loyalty programs from here itself. Let's check each one separately. Before that, I'm starting with products. By clicking on the products, here we can see this is the Kanban view of products. From this Kanban view, we can view the product name, variant details, price details, on-hand quantity, etc. Then here we have list view and activity view. It's possible to filter and group by options are available here. The filter, group by and favorite options are shown here. And we can create a new product by clicking on this new button. Here I'm not creating a new one. Let's check the already created one. Here we can see the product name, the sales and purchase tabs or checkbox are enabled here. Under general information, we can view the product type, track inventory, invoicing policy, sales price, sales tax, cost or purchase tax, category, etc. Then under attributes and variants, we can add the attributes like brand, color, size, capacity, etc. Here the product is a water bottle. Then that's why here we can see the attribute is added as capacity and the values are 0.5 liters, 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, etc. We can configure or we can add changes on this particular attribute by clicking on this configure button. Here we can see each value separately, and while clicking on one, here we can see the value is shown here. We can add extra price on this particular variant by from here. Here for the 5 liters, we added a extra $5 as on the sales price. And here the next tab is sales. From here itself, we can configure the much details for or much configuration for the e-commerce shop. For that, we have a session named e-commerce shop. We can add product tags like fragile, or we can configure new products tabs from here itself. Here we can see the product tags. We can configure tags and we can add such tags here. And we can click on is published. By enabling this checkbox, the product is published in e-commerce. And here we can see the website and the website sequence. This website sequence determines the display order of this particular product in the e-commerce shop. Then here we can mention the e-commerce category. Here we can see the e-commerce categories. We can configure a new e-commerce category from here itself. And here we can see the out of stock continue selling. If the checkbox is enabled, we can continue the selling if the quantity is not available. And here we have option to add ribbons. We can add ribbons on products, and here we can enable the show available quantity and out of stock message, etc. The one of the interesting feature introduced in Odoo 18 is that we can add variant ribbon. Here we can see there are 4 variants. Let's assume that the bottle with capacity 5 liter is newly introduced one. Then here, while open this, here we have an option to add variant ribbon. So we can add the new ribbon here. So let's check how it's work. After saving the settings, I'm going to go to the product again. So we have a smart tag named go to website here. We can either go to website from here itself, or we can go to home page and choose the shop option. So here we can see the first product is water bottle. Then by clicking on this, here we can see the product water bottle with the capacity 0.5 liter, 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, etc. Then while choosing the 5 liter option, here we can see a extra price is added. Then normal price. Here we can see the normal price of the product is $25, and we need to check the 5 liter. Here we can see $30, which means $5 extra for this 5 liter. And here we can see an extra ribbon is added as new here. Then again, I'm choosing another product, laptop. Here we can see under sales, we can add upsell and cross-sell product, like we can add optional product, accessory product and alternative product for this product, this particular product. And here we can see the show available quantity, which means if I enable this one, we can see if the quantity is below 5 units, then the available quantity will show. Let's check. For that, I'm going go to website from here, and the product is open. Here we can see the on-hand quantity is only 3 units left in stock, and here we can see the product ribbon is shown here. And while scroll down, here we can see the tablet, which is added as alternative product for the laptop, which is shown here. And if I click on add to cart button, here we can see the the optional product. Warranty is given as optional product for laptop, which is shown here. Then let's click proceed to checkout. So this is the cart page. Here we can see this suggested accessory product. Mouse is shown here inside this cart page. So this is how the upselling techniques work. And let's check one more product type, which is combo choice. We can configure combo products in website, or we can sell combo products inside our website. For that, we need to configure the combo choices. Here I'm choosing one combo choice named as burger combo. So we need to add the choice name first. Then we need to specify the products. So here two products are added, bacon burger and cheeseburger. Here we can see the original price of the product. If we need to add any extra price, we can mention the extra price here. So here the actual price of the cheeseburger is 50. We need or we are adding an extra price as $5. Then the next one is drinks combo. Here we can see two products, juice and Coca-Cola is added here. With the original price is shown here. So let's check how the combo products are configured. For that, I'm opening a new combo or let's create a new combo. I'm adding as like snack, and here I'm choosing the product type as combo, and we need to specify the combo choice here. Here I'm adding the burger combo and drinks combo. Then from the sales, I'm going to publish this product. And here we can see, let's go to website from here. So this is the product snack. We can click add to cart. Then before adding this product to cart, we need to choose the products. So here we can see burger, bacon burger and cheeseburger. I'm choosing one cheeseburger. Then here we can see the drinks combo. We need to choose the drinks. Then after that, we can click on this proceed to checkout. Then here we can see I'm moving the laptop. So here we can see one quantity of cheeseburger and one quantity of Coca-Cola is added here. We can increase the quantity from here itself. So this is how the combo products configure, and we can shop the combo product easily. Then we have the e-commerce category, attribute, product tags, product ribbons, etc. It's easy to configure product ribbon from here. While configuring a ribbon, here we need to specify the ribbon name, and we can add the position. We can specify the text color, background color, etc. from here. Then let's check the price list option next. Different pricing methods for your goods or services can be effectively established with Odoo 18 platform price list feature. We get the price list option from the e-commerce menu. And one way to characterize the aspect of price list is a set of pricing or price rules that can be used to determine a product's price depending on variety of factors like including discounts, country and season, etc. Here we can see these all are the pre-configured price lists. Here the first one is normal price list. Here while opening this there is no rule is configured here. And the second one is New Year sales. So here we configure some rules. Let's check the rule. Here we can see the discount. 50% discount on sales prices added here for all products. Then here under e-commerce, we need to specify the website, and we need to enable the selectable option. Only if this checkbox is enabled, we can choose the price list directly. Then here we can see the e-commerce promotional code. Here 12345 is added as promotional code. Then let's check one more price list, which is an INR price list. We can see the currency is INR here. If we choose any country group here, then the customers from that particular country can only use this particular price list. Then no price rule is added here, just the currency is set as INR. Let's check how it's work. Before that, let me check one product. Here we can see the product is laptop, and here we can see the sales price. Clicking on go to website option, here we can see the normal price list is chosen here, and the product price is shown. Actual sales price is shown here. If I'm changing it to New Year sales, here we can see a 50% discount is added on the actual product. Then I'm changing this to INR price. Here we can see the sales price is shown in Indian rupees, Indian currency. Then I'm changing this to normal price list. Here we can see the normal sales price of the product is shown. Clicking on add to cart button. Then here we can see the actual price is shown. If I'm adding the discount code or the promotional code here, then click on the apply button. Here we can see a 50% discount is applied here. This is the use of e-commerce promotional code and price list. Then let's check the next one, which is let's check the discount and loyalty programs, gift card, etc. So here three discount or loyalty programs already configured here. Let's check one, which is buy 3 large cabinet and get 1 free. So here we can see the program type is chosen as buy X get Y. We have different program methods or program types like coupons, loyalty cards, promotion, discount code, buy X get Y, next order coupon, etc. Then we can choose some currency. We can add the price list, points, the show point option, etc. We can specify the start date and end date for this particular program. Then we can limit the usage by enabling this checkbox. Then the company available on sales and website, etc. Then the rules and rewards tab. Here we can see the conditional rules and rewards. While clicking on the conditional rules, here we can view the rule is configured here. The condition is minimum quantity 3, and here we can see the product is large cabinet. If the customer purchased minimum 3 quantity of large cabinet, then here we can see the reward from here. A free product large cabinet is given as a reward. So let's check this. Here's a discount code. Then here we can see which is the program type is discount code here, and conditional rule is here we can see the discount code. Here I'm copying this code, and here we can see the minimum quantity and the 10% discount by using this code. If the customer using this particular code, he gets a 10% discount on actual sales price. So let's check how it's work. For that, I'm going to my shop page, and let's search for large cabinet. Here we have large cabinet, and I'm choosing 3 large cabinet. Let's go to here. We can see we added 3 large cabinet and we get 1 large cabinet as free product. So this is how the buy X get Y works. Then we have a promotional code or 10 PC. Then let's click the apply button here. We can see a 10% on order is applied here. This is how the promotional code and buy X get Y works. Then I'm removing this products. So the cart is empty. Let's refresh this, and let's move to check the other options like loyalty and gift cards. Here we can see gift cards and eWallet. We can configure a new gift card from here. I'm enabling and adding a gift card 10. After saving this, here we can see all the details like the program type, etc. We can simply generate a gift card by clicking on this generate gift card button. We can generate gift card for anonymous customers and selected customers. Here I'm creating for all customers with 5 quantities, and the gift card value is given as $100, and we can add the validity till this date, and we need to add some description. After that, click on the generate gift card button. Here we can see 5 gift cards are generated with the balance 500. Let me open this, and we need to copy the code. Then let's go to the shop page again. Here I'm going to the shop page, and I'm purchasing water bottle 5 liter capacity with some 20 quantities. Then let's click add to cart button. Let's go to view cart, and here we can see the total price is 600. Here we can paste the gift card code and click on the apply button. Here we can see $100 is reduced just because of the gift card is applied. Then the next one is eWallet. We can configure eWallet from here. I'm adding eWallet, named as eWallet, and choosing the type as eWallet. And here we can see the rewards, and we can generate eWallet from here. I'm generating this eWallet for the customer, Michelle Admin, and the quantity to generate is 1. We can add the eWallet value. Then we can specify the validity and description for you, admin. Then let's generate the eWallet. Here we can see one eWallet is generated with the balance of 500. Let's go to home page and shop. Before that, Odoo 18 introduced a new feature like the customers can view his eWallet details from here. So the Michelle admin, he can go to my account, and here we can see the eWallet with the 500 balance. So the customer can shop using this eWallet. Then here we can see the eWallet, and we need to copy the eWallet code, and let's go to the shop and then purchasing the same water bottle, the capacity 5 quantities. Then let's go to the view cart, and here we can see the eWallet. You have $500 in your eWallet. We can pay with this eWallet by clicking on this. Then here we can see the eWallet is, or the eWallet value is added here. So this is how the e-commerce promotional codes, gift cards, and eWallet options work. Then let's go to the settings for more configurations. Clicking on the settings. So this is the setting page. Here the first option is shop payment, and the next one is shop checkout process, and here we can see the shop product configurations. Let's check the product configurations first. Here we can see the display product pricing, tax excluded and tax included. So we can view the sales price as tax included by enabling this, and we can view the tax excluded price by enabling this boolean. And here the price list and discount loyalty gift card we already discussed. Then let's check the other things like comparison price, which means we can add a strike through price as a comparison price in the product. And the next one is product reference price. We can add the reference price in the unit addition to the sales price. And the product variant, we already discussed the product variant. Here we have option to add wish list. We can add our products to wish list by enabling this option. And here we can add the product comparison tool, which help to compare the product based on the attributes. And the next one is prevent zero sales which means if a product price is equal to 0, we can't move to the add to cart. By clicking on add to cart button, the shop will redirect to the contact us page. Let's enable this one. So here the button URL is added here. Let's save the settings. So it's loading. After saving, let's check each one separately. So let's check here under products. So here we have a product named headphone. Here we can just see the sales prices 0. And while checking on the laptop, here some other features are added like base unit count. We can specify the base unit count here, and here we can add some reference, and here as a compare to price, we can add some comparison price here as something. And let's save this, and I'm going to the shop page, choosing the shop page, and here we can see a wish list option is added here. We can directly add this particular product to our wish list by choosing this one, and while clicking on this product, here we can see a strike through or the comparison price is added here. Then if I'm choosing the headphone, here we can see there is no add to cart button is available here. Only the contact us page is shown here. This is all about the enabled features, and we have a comparison. Currently I'm removing all the products from the cart. Then let's check some more settings from the settings. Here we can see the checkout process. We have checkout process like add to cart. There are here we can see 3 options. We can either stay on the product page after adding product. Then we have option to go to cart, and here the third one is let the user to decide. A dialog box will appear and the user can decide where to go, like that. And the next one is sign up and checkout. Here there are 3 options. Or the optional products are the optional allows guests to register from the order confirmation email to track their order. And if I enable as disabled, so the customer can buy as a guest, no need of any any invitations like that. And if we set it as mandatory, no guest checkout is allowed. So let's check the disabled option first, and here I'm saving the settings. So here we can see add to cart is set as go to cart, and here the sign up is set as disabled. So let's log out from Michelle admin. So no one has login here. Here we can see the shop page is shown here, and the customer can directly shop the products without any login. So here I'm adding to cart. So we directly move to the cart page, and the customer can go to the checkout page from here itself. Then login as admin again. Then go to the website settings. Let's check the next one. So here I'm changing the add to cart as let the user decide, and the login as mandatory. Let's save this. And here again and log out. Here we can see the shop is available here. If the customer opens some product and add to cart, here we have options like we can continue shopping or we can go to the checkout page. Here I'm choosing go to the checkout page, and there is no checkout option is available here. First, the customer need to sign in to shop or to continue the shopping. Then let's sign in as admin. Go to the website and go to the settings again. Here, there is one more feature like e-commerce access under the privacy. Yes, here we have e-commerce access, which means enforces the customer to be logged in to access the shop. Here we can see the e-commerce access is allowed for all users. If I change this to login users, after saving this, let's log out from admin. Then here we can see the shop page is not available here. So the e-commerce page is only available for the login users. This is the e-commerce access. Then here, let's check some other checkout processes. Then here we have the checkout processes. Like I'm changing the settings too. Then here we have an option like newsletter, and let's enable the extra step during checkout. So we can customize the checkout page after address. Then here we can see the assignment of online orders to particular salesperson. We can assign a particular sales team and salesperson. And the next one is reorder from porter, which means which allow the customers to add product from the previous order into their cart again. Then the one is buy now, instant checkout. Before or without adding to cart, we can directly buy the product by enabling this one. Let's save this. Let's go to the shop. So here we can see we'll open one product. Here we have buy now option, which means we can directly buy the products from here itself. Then I'm removing other products. We'll go to the checkout page. We need to specify the delivery details. Then confirm. So there is an extra step. So we need to add the order reference and feedback. We can upload some documents and then we can continue the checkout. So this is the extra step added. And here we placed one order. Then let's go to my account. And here we can see one quotation. Sorry. Here we can see the orders and choosing one order. Then we have option to order again, which means we can again order this particular product by clicking on this order again. Then here we can see the product is shown here. We can directly add to cart. So the product is added to our cart. Then again, let's move to the settings. Yes, the one we missed the newsletter and assignment. Before that, I'm enabling some payment providers. I'm installing the demo, the payment provider demo. Then yes, it's published, and let's move back to the website. And I'm going to homepage, shop. Then by clicking on this edit button, we can add some So before that, let's check the settings again. I'm saving this and move back to the settings. Here, under the newsletter, we can see the newsletter list is already selected here. It's possible to change the newsletter list, and here we can see by enabling this which show a checkbox to sign up for the selected newsletter to guest users. After saving this, let's go to the home page, and here I'm adding a newsletter to the home page. So let's search for the newsletter. I'm adding one newsletter. Let's edit or customize the button. Here we can see the selector or the newsletter which we set inside the settings is added here. Let's save this. So we can directly use this particular one from here. So this is the use of the newsletter. Then let's go to the shop page, and if we add one product to the cart, and here we can see there is already a product in the cart, we can directly go to the payment page from here itself, or we can go to the checkout. If I'm going to the checkout, here we can see we need to choose the delivery address, and here we can confirm the delivery details, and we need to add some extra step here. I'm adding some feedback, and let's continue the checkout. Then we can see the payment pages here, and we can choose the payment and payment provider, and we can directly go to the payment page. Now the order is successfully completed, and here we can see the order sequence number. We can check the orders from here. Then all of the orders may be viewed using the orders menu, which is located under the e-commerce tab of website module. Each order's tracking features are also displayed in this window. So to open the window, select the orders from the menu. Then the orders window show the image like this. And as you can see in the screen, the window will provide a list of every orders that has been received by the system. So complete with the order number, order date, website, customer, salesperson, responsible company, next activity, total amount, and the status of invoice are shown here. You can choose to view and examine each of those orders details in further depth. You can schedule any activities right from the Odoo window. Here we have activities. We can schedule activity from here. And you can click on the next activity icon to complete the activity. Then here we can see the orders. Here this is the last order which we placed, and here we can see inside the other info. Here we can see the salesperson is Michelle and the sales team is website. So this is because we assign that particular salesperson and sales team inside the settings. So the product checkout is completed. Then let's move to the delivery section. Here we can see under delivery we have options like shipping address, shipping cost, and click and collect. Then there are some providers and the Montiel relay. So let's enable this one, and let's go to save button. So here we enabled shipping address, click and collect, and the Mondial relay. By enabling the shipping address, which like the customers to enter one delivery address, and by using this shipping cost, we can configure some delivery methods. And here Odoo 18 introduced a new one like click and collect. By using this, the customers can choose a shop pickup location during the checkout rather than the home delivery. Thanks to this option, you can designate particular retailers as collection sites under inventory configuration warehouse, which is where pickup locations are maintained. You can define the availability for each product, set up different pickup sites, and modify the pickup procedure to suit your company's requirements. Customers can also receive automatic reminders when their order is prepared for pickup, and store pickup choice can be shown in the checkout page. Then here we can see the Montiel relay. Here, the Montiel relay, the customers can select the Montiel relay pickup location at checkout thanks to this condition, giving them more delivery possibilities. So you may control the shipment method, setting in shipment methods where you can specify the delivery routes, relay point selection, and cost. At the checkout, the customers can see a list of available Montiel relay pickup locations and get packages tracking information. Logistics can also be streamlined by automating order processing and shipping label creations. And here we have some shipping connectors. So this connectors like DHL, UPS, FedEx, and Montiel Relay can be installed in website, which allow the shipping connectors for smooth order fulfillment. These interfaces enable automatic label creation, real-time shipping rate computation, and tracking integrations. Like that. Let's check each one. After saving this, let's go to the configuration. Here we can see the delivery methods. So these all are the delivery methods, and here we have one delivery method as standard delivery, and here we can see the provider is chosen as fixed price, and we can mention the fixed price here. I'm adding $50 as fixed price, and if the amount is greater than this, then the delivery is free. Here we can see the delivery product is standard delivery, and let's check the some other settings, like we can configure destination. We can restrict this shipping method for specific countries by using this countries stay zip fix fields. Then here we have the contents, which means O18 introduced some interesting features in shipping methods, like we can choose the must have tags, excluded tags, maximum weight, maximum volume, etc. So this is a standard delivery. So let's configure this delivery for the product with a must have tags as fragile, which means the product with this tag can use this standard delivery. Then let's set and move to the one local delivery. Here we can see the local delivery charge is added as 50, or we can use it by choosing some particular rules like pricing. Here we can mention if the quantity is greater than or equal to 1, then the delivery cost is 0 plus double of the quantity. Here we can see if the quantity is greater than 1, then the delivery cost is double of the chosen quantity. Then under the availability, let's add excluded tag as fragile, which means the product without this tag can use this local delivery. Then here let's check the Mondial relay. Here we can see the Mondial relay is added here. For this is for some particular countries, and removing the countries. Then let's check the pickup in store. Here we can see the pickup in store is shown here. Here the provider is pickup in store. Then we can configure the store from here itself and choosing your company warehouse as the store. Then let's configure and let's publish the shipping method. Here we can see the local delivery is not in published. We can publish the local delivery, and the Montiel relay, we need to publish it. So let's configure some products. Here I'm searching for some product like glass. Here we can see this is a glass product, and under sales I'm adding a tag as fragile. And then let's go to some other products like mm, let's choose the water bottle. So here we can see there is no tag is added here, or no, the fragile tag is not added here. Then let's move to the home page, and let's go to the shop page. Here inside the shop page. First, I'm adding a water bottle. Add to cart. One quantity of water bottle is added. Then go to the checkout. Here we can see the delivery is local delivery, and here we can see the quantity chosen is 1, and so that's why here the delivery cost is added to 2, which means double of the quantity. Then we can choose the pickup store. So here we can select the location. From here, while choosing this, we can choose the pickup point from the list. This loading. So here we can see the pickup point is here, but it's in out of stock. We can choose the location from here. And here we have a Montreal relay is also open here. So we need to add the parcel point, or we need to choose the parcel point from here. Currently I'm choosing the local delivery, and we can confirm the checkout from here. So we need to add some extra information. Then continue the checkout, and we can complete the payment by using the pay now button. So the order is placed. Then let's move to the shop again. Here I'm choosing for the product glass. So here we can see the product glass is shown. I'm choosing some quantity, and from here itself we can choose the pickup store if necessary. Then let's go to the cart page, and here we can see this is a cart page, and let's click on the checkout process. Here we can see the standard delivery is chosen here just because we add the fragile tag inside our product. That's why the standard delivery is chosen here. So this is how the shipping methods works in Odoo 18. Then let's move to the settings. So the next section is invoicing. Here we can see, after that here we can see the invoicing policies. We can configure products either based on ordered quantity or based on delivered quantity. Then here we can see the automatic invoice option is here. We can enable the automatic invoicing option by clicking on this product, and here we can see or we can configure, we can check the invoicing policy from here. Here we can see which is based on, the invoicing policy is based on ordered quantity. Then let's go to the home page and go to the shop. Here I'm purchasing a laptop. Let's open and go to the cart. This, and I'm clicking on the buy now button, and we can directly after removing the product glass, and here we can see laptop is added without checking, without completing the checkout process, and pay with demo. And here we can see the payment details. We can store the payment details from here itself. Let's click the pay button. So the payment is completed for the reference is 0046, and let's go to the e-commerce and choose the orders. Here we can see which is fully invoiced. Here we can see the invoice is created automatically and the payment is completed. And let's go to check the delivery. Here we can see the delivery is not validated yet. This is how the automatic invoicing work, which means the customers can pay online, pay the amount online, then the invoice will automatically created here without completing the delivery. So users can validate the delivery from here. So this is how the automatic invoicing works in Odoo 80. Then there are some other things or other settings like email marketing, privacy, and SEO. Before that, let's discuss the orders tab, like the order, unpaid order, abandoned cart, and customers from here. So here we can see the orders, unpaid orders, abandoned carts, and customers. We already discussed the orders, so let's check the unpaid orders. To quickly identify the unpaid orders and take appropriate action, all unpaid orders details obtained from the e-commerce website will be stored and maintained under the unpaid orders window. You can click on the unpaid orders menu to open this window. From here we can see this is in quotation same stage. Then the next one is abandoned carts. You can observe and comment the orders cart that the guests have placed with the aid of this window. Furthermore, the products that have been added to the cart without any additional action or confirmation can also be viewed. This choice is great approach to learn about the demands, opinion, interest, and the shortcoming of your customers as well as the strength and weakness of your company and products. You can inquire further about this consumer's decision and choices by sending them an email after examining all of these abandoned carts. You can send these emails automatically with the aid of Odoo 18. So you must configure the email template in Odoo 18 website settings in order to send automatically produce the email for abandoned cart recovery. When you send a recovery email automatically, the pre-approved email template will present by default. So you can access this from the settings, from the website settings. Here we can see under settings, here is a section named email marketing. Here we can see automatically send abandoned checkout emails. So we can add the time here. So the email will send after this time. We can customize the abandoned email template from here itself. So this is the email template, and let's check how it's work. For that, I'm moving to the home page and let's choose the shop option here. Let's add some products to the cart. Here I'm adding some product. So here we added water bottle of 5 quantity. Then let's move to the checkout. And here we can see the delivery details are shown here. I'm not confirming the delivery. Let's go back and move to the e-commerce and choose the balance cards. Here we can see the product with the water bottle. 5 quantities added to the abandoned carts. We can send a recovery email from here directly by clicking on the send recovery email. Then let's click on the send button to send the recovery email. Here we can see the recovery email is sent automatically, or currently we sent the email manually. Then we can send it automatically after completing the time. And let's complete the settings. Here inside the setting, we skipped some parts like email marketing and privacy SEO. Privacy and SEO. Here we can see inside the email marketing, we have options like live chat, email marketing, slides, etc. By enabling this live chat, which allow the visitors to chat with you, or with the help of unique live chat module in Odoo 18 ERP, you may conduct direct connections with website visitors for your business. Then an instantaneous contact method such as live chat will help the business and its client to develop a preserved and solid rapport. Like by enabling this, we can configure the channels from here. We can see the channel name is here, and there are 2 operators like Mactamo and Michelle Ermin. Under options, we can view the live chat button and live chat window. We can configure the button and window options from here. Then we have the channel rules. We can add the channel rules from here, and it's possible to add the widget from here. We can directly go to website from here itself, or we can let's publish the website first. By go to this, we can publish the website. Then let's go to the home page, and here we can see the live chat is present here. Then the customers can directly connect, or we can directly chat with the customer from here itself. Then the next settings is shared customer accounts. Like here we can see here we can see the cookies bar, which display the customizable cookies bar on your website. And here we can see the shared customer account. We can see the account, which means by enabling the shared customer accounts in the website accounts created can be used on all your websites. The customer can sign up for free amount or login on invitation to view their papers using this customer account. Then the cookies bar, by enabling this, the users can see the cookies bar by saving this. Let's move to the home page. Then here we can see the cookies bar here. This is cookies bar, and let's check the SEO. Here, Odoo provide Google Analytics dashboard, console Google search, and robots, robots tools under the SEO area of Odoo website settings window. To track visit in Google Analytics, activate the corresponding option. To use these features, credits should be required. To track website traffic in Odoo, you may also activate the Google Analytics dashboard option. And if you have the necessary credentials, you must supply the client ID and secret in order to accomplish this. And the search engine crawlers can better index your website using the sitemap option. And let's last but not least, the console Google search option can take data monitoring into account. Additionally, the robot.txt files specify which files or pages search engine crawlers may or may not request from your website. So this is all about the SEO, and let's move to the reporting. You may examine your online sales using the reports portion of Odoo 18 website module. You can see the analytic e-commerce, online sales, visitors, page views by selecting the reporting tab. Here the first report is analytics. So the Google Analytics function, which is supported by Odoo 8 in website and e-commerce module, is useful tool for tracking and evaluating website traffic. With the help of this application, you may examine the quantity, duration, and other characteristics of website visitors. In order to benefit from this feature, you must first create a Google Analytics account and obtain the necessary credentials. Integrating Google Analytics with the Odoo 18 website module is simple. You must activate Google Analytics in the settings box in order to do this. This function, which allow you to track, view, and analyze the website visitors number straight from the module's report tab, would be very helpful. Every piece of information gathered upon connecting to the business Google Analytic activities will be displayed in the Analytic report window. You can enter your measurement ID here, and additionally you can see the option to link Google Analytics here. As indicated in the screen, here we can see Connect Plausible button. All of the data pertaining to every website operations, including yearly, monthly, and weekly reports, will be effectively displayed in the Google Analytics report window. Here we can choose a different website itself. Then the next reporting is e-commerce. You will see the e-commerce dashboard window of the website module where you select the report option. Your web store's action and performances will be displayed in the e-commerce dashboard window as shown here. This dashboard view use a variety of chart, graphs, pivot tables, etc. Then, especially for the purpose of visualizing the quantitative and qualitative reports related to the promotion and sale of goods and services via internet platform. Compared to the descriptive report, it will be simpler to read reports that are generated as graphs or chart. You may monitor the growth of your sale in this report and along with the report related to your e-commerce business that you run on the platform. These are options to generate daily, weekly, monthly, and annual report regarding the sales activity conducted on your business. We can add the measures from here, and here we can see different graphs like pie chart, line chart, etc. Then the next reporting is visitors. The visitors option is located under the reports in the website module. The visitors menu will provide all the data on visitors to your website without any gaps. If the specific visitor's contact information is already stored in your system, the visitors pan will list their needs. If not, it will be identified as a visitor to the website. You will also be able to see clearly in the window the number of visits, the last page viewed, and the furthermore, the platform offers visitors the ability to send emails and SMS in any event that the content data of the specific employee is updated. You can click the SMS and email button next to the other information to accomplish this. The system lets you view the details in list view, graph view, and also in Kanban view. Then the next reporting is page views. You may list every page view on your website using page view option found under the reports tab. You may see the visitors page, URL, product, visit date, etc. Then the list and graph views are available here for the page views. Then we missed one, which is online sales. You can view this window to see the general overview of your e-commerce sales. You may create reports in both graph and pivot view with Odoo, and you can generate reports in number of different measures, including here we can see slash line discount percentage, discount amount, then the gross weight, quantity delivered, etc. All of the measures listed are available for viewing and access under the measures tab. So this is all about Odoo 18 website and e-commerce module. Let's wind up the webinar. Let's wind up. For more clarification, you can visit our functional and technical videos as well as blogs. Or you can directly contact us through email. Thank you for watching and thanks for your time.